So guys, welcome to our 5th episode, and in this episode we are going to talk about the future of the climate and what the generation must do to save the climate and how and what changes they can get. So my first question to you, Shane, is if climate changes continues, what will future cultures look like?
If climate change keeps getting worse, many of our traditions, food that rely on climate may become very rare. Many of our food, what we eat, the clothing that we wear during different climates, and even the traditions that we celebrate may become very rare. Some people may like move to outside places because of climate changes, and they leave all the traditions behind, and our future generation won't even have enough traditions to like follow, and they
won't get to see like what traditions we followed, and
they won't be able to see their history and past about their traditions.
Okay, so what can students like us do?
Like students like us, every small step makes a huge difference. We can like save water, protect our animals, and not like use many papers and all.
Or just follow our grandparents.
Yeah, just follow our grandparents' footsteps. Like even if we want to go to the market, we remove our car or bike.
Remove a cycle and
remove a cycle and go cycling, or like just walk it out.
Yeah,
and use as much as possible use public transport.
Okay, so my third question is how can we protect culture and nature together?
So we can practice traditional method, like use cloth bag, metal bottles, paper bags, metal bottles, and not use like much of plastic. Plastic is the most harmful thing to our environment at this point. We shouldn't celebrate festivals like we should keep in mind that we have to protect the environment and not just celebrate. For example, Diwali, we should just not keep lighting crackers. Like 1 or 2 is enough. We should protect our animals.
Like keep the festival as much as eco-friendly.
Yeah, we should keep our nature in mind while celebrating. We should learn our local languages much, not just learn English. That's not everything. We have to learn our local languages. We should learn our own old
traditions.
Old traditions. We have to learn our old farming methods and all. We should not forget our old. We should not forget our past. We should keep it like focused with nature, like hand in hand. Both we need it together.
Okay, so what is the one message that you will give for the young people?
So see, we are the first generation to like understand climate change properly. We may even be the last. So we have to keep in mind that we are the only ones who can protect our nature, and like our future is in our hand.
Yeah.
So we need to keep that in mind and like protect our nature as much as we can.
What kind of world do you want in 50 years?
Like a world with full greenery, clean air, pollution free.
Do you think that is possible?
Yeah, that is possible if we like start today, and everyone has to give.
Like we should just like the government should start releasing videos and educate the people.
We should educate the people more.
That much knowledge.
Yeah, so that is one thing and even technology and nature should go hand in hand. Both should not affect each other. Like now technology is affecting the nature a lot.
Yeah.
Like animals and all are getting affected a lot.
Like because of the radiation, many
birds. Many birds get affected. Like new buildings, we should keep we have to protect our sanctuaries and all. We have to protect our animals. That is one of the biggest things.
So in the end, climate change is not only about melting ice, hot temperature. It's all about wearing clothes, like the clothes we wear now, the food we eat. It's about the people, the traditions, and also the farmers. What important roles the people, like tribal people, farmers, and other things, like how they help the nature to grow. And now it's our turn to educate the people and let them know how nature is very important for us, so we should take care of them, and how the culture shapes the nature and how nature shapes the culture. So now for the new generations, we should like educate them too and let them decide that what step they want to take. And for now we just end the episode here, and this was all of it, and thank you for watching and listening to us, and we are signing off now.